So this is part 2 of the project, and the problem is that a woman's body was found dead at 9 a.m. and her body temperature at that time was 91 degrees Fahrenheit. 1 hour later, her body temperature was 90.1 degrees Fahrenheit, and the temperature of the room she was found in remains at a constant 68 degrees Fahrenheit the whole time. So the police suspect that the husband could be the murderer, but he says that he was out until 3:30 a.m. So we're supposed to find the time of death of the woman to discover if her husband is guilty or innocent. So we began by using Newton's law of cooling. So that's the rate of change in the temperature of an object, and which is proportional to the difference between the object's temperature and the temperature in the surrounding medium. So next we plugged in the surrounding temperature, which was 68 degrees Fahrenheit, and we began solving the differential equation by separating variables. And for that we got T equals C times e to the kt plus 68. Next we named the time of 9 a.m. to be T equals 0, so we plugged in the body temperature of 91 degrees Fahrenheit into the capital T, and 0 hours into lowercase t to find the constant C, which ended up being 23. Next we plugged in the temperature of the body after 1 hour, which was 90.1 degrees Fahrenheit, and we plugged in 1 hour into lowercase t, and this helped us find the constant of proportionality, which is k. And that's what we got for k. So finally we plugged in the average body temperature of a living person, which is 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit, and solved for T to find the time when she was last alive or her time of death. And by doing this, we will get a negative number because we said that when she was found at 9 a.m. that was T equals 0, so anything previous to that would be a negative number. So we got negative 7.153. And after converting 0.153 to minutes by multiplying by 60, we found that the woman was killed 7 hours and 9 minutes before 9 a.m., and that makes her time of death 1:51 a.m. And this time of death proves that the husband is not the murderer because he was still out with his friends at this time.